After creating a new project in DaVinci Resolve and then dragging and dropping a clip, DaVinci Resolve gives a warning about the frame rate, which you can click on change in order to match the clip's frame rate. But then if you click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner to go to the project settings, in the master settings, you could see the timeline resolution is set to HD, which is set by default. And in the properties of my clip, you could see it's a 4K video. If you would not change the timeline resolution to match your clip's resolution, if it is 4K, then your exported video would have a lower quality. And once you change this setting and any other default settings, then click on the three dots in here and then click on set current settings as default preset. This will give you a warning message saying you can't undo this action. So click on update. This would also change your frame rate. So click on change and then click on save. And next time when you drag and drop your clip onto a new project, you won't need to worry about settings such as timeline resolution and frame rate.